This is an ISEO Euro cylinder I took out of a door. One side has a key stuck in. Just focus. Now you can just see the key. The other side, however, is perfectly pickable. So let's give it a bash. Top of the key with tension. We'll not be using that hook. Nice bendy clamp to get in through that key with. Start at the front. Pin 1, 2 I'll leave, 3, 4, pin 1, nothing, 2 went, I think 2 is a serrated pin, 3, yeah, big full set. Let's go in and find the spill pin. It's not 1, it's not 2, it's not 3, it's not 4, it's not 5. Touch 5 and it's an even deeper full set. Now I know, because I've already picked it, it is a nightmare to set. So the thing is, you need to overset, unless you're very lucky and set the first time. Overset pin 5, or 4 if you like, just to get 5 in its place. Release a little bit of tension, then come back in, start at the front. That was 2. That was 3. 4 is a serrated pin. See if we can get a 5 again, just to give it a tickle. There. Came back to pin 2. Pin 2 would reset again. That's it picked. And that's the full purpose of spool pins. You get a deep one at the back. It'll reset all the other pins. So if you just overset pin 5 and maybe 4 if you have to, let off the tension, go back through and just pick off the binding ones until you get them all, and then it'll open. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share and leave your comments. Thank you.